Hello everyone, I am Praveen and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. So, I want you to keep supporting me on this. I tell about knowledge, facts and education on this channel. I will not bore you anymore. I will directly go to the topic. Today's topic is the subconscious mind. What is subconscious mind? Our brain has its own world. In fact, even today we can know it. The whole formula of the world is in our brain. Every detail about ourselves and the whole world is in it. Scientists are trying to find out about it, and success has also happened. We don't know anything about the immense power of our brain, which the scientists have discovered, but don't know anything mostly about it. But the main thing is that we can cover long distance by using this immense power. The second part of our head is the normal mind or the subconscious mind, which even today the scientists haven't known anything about. Now, I am going to answer you the question I asked earlier. What is subconscious mind? It controls you every second. If you understand and study the subconscious mind, you can be very intelligent, wise, healthy, creative, and very motivated. As much as our subconscious mind is tied to the functioning of our sense, it always keeps working in the background. Now, the second thing I am going to tell about, body language. Body language is also called the language of the subconscious mind, so that we can tell by the person's body language that how he will relate to our feelings. The feelings come from our subconscious mind. If a person is clever and smart, he or she will try to become more clever and smart. He will love to study and put in hard work, and gradually everyone will feel him and give him the same vibe as his subconscious mind. Even today, scientists are trying to study our subconscious mind, but they have found only a little about it. When you type something on your phone, the motivation comes from your brain. That can be anything. But when you type, the calculation comes from your subconscious mind from the background, which makes it easier for you to type. If anything is hard, but you make it your habit, it can become easy for you. Now, as an example, I am going to tell you an interesting story about a person named Jack, who was struggling through anxiety and self-doubt. He had always wanted to pursue his dream of becoming an artist, but he felt like he wasn't good enough and was constantly comparing himself to others. One day, Jack went to see a therapist. The therapist introduced him to the concept of subconscious mind. The therapist explained that our subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that stores our memory, thoughts and beliefs. It also controls our behavior, habits and emotions, often without us even realizing it. The therapist suggested that Jack try some techniques to tap into his subconscious mind and reprogram his negative thoughts and beliefs. At first, Jack hesitated, but he decided to give it a try. He started by writing down his affirmations and goals every night, and started to visualize himself as a successful artist. He also began to practice meditation and mindfulness to calm down his mind and become more aware of his emotions and thoughts. Over time, Jack began to notice a shift in his thinking. He became more confident and less anxious in his work. Jack started to see opportunities to showcase his work, and he got positive reviews from others. He realized that his subconscious mind has been holding him back all this time. But with the right techniques, he was able to tap into his subconscious mind and reprogram his thoughts and beliefs. Over time, as Jack continued to work on his mindset, he realized that his subconscious mind was like a powerful ally to him he could tap into whenever he needed it. He started to trust his intuition and listen to his inner voice. In the end, Jack was able to become a successful artist and live his dream. He knew that it was all possible because of his subconscious mind and the techniques that he learned to tap into his subconscious mind and reprogram his thoughts and beliefs. Now, for my last thing to say about this topic, how to use your subconscious mind to your advantage. To use it to its fullest potential, you should use it as to think logically, happily, smart decisions that will make your life happier. It will show some effect on your real world as much you keep your mind set. And if you will think negative about yourself, the things will go worse. If you think good about yourself, the thing might become the best if you do it consistently. Now, at the last, I have to say that, to explain it properly, that the poor becomes poorer and the rich becomes richer because of their mindset that they got by the subconscious mind.